Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you this 21 birthday cake idea. I'm going to start by stacking and filling my vanilla cake layers. I used a strawberry preserve filling and a classic American buttercream. Here I'm using some bubble tea straws to support the cake so it doesn't slide around. Then I'm going to go ahead with the crumb coat and second layer of the frosting. I'll put a link in the description for my cake decorating tutorial if you want to check that out. For the decorations, I melted some white chocolate and I used a geode heart mold and a mini chocolate bar mold. Here I'm dipping a few strawberries in the same melted white chocolate. For this strawberry, I'm using some rose gold luster dust and I'm brushing it on using a food only brush, and this was the strawberry I ended up using for the top of the cake. Next, I'm removing the other decorations from their mold and brushing on the same luster dust as I used for the strawberry. Now it's time to put this cake together. For the drip, I used the same chocolate and made a ganache drip and painted it with the rose gold luster dust. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, I'm Sarah the Pleasant Baker and I upload videos inspiring you to create amazing desserts, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss a video. And lastly, I used real pink roses, taping the stems with floral tape. I piped some 1M swirls on top and added the chocolate decorations. I'm so happy with how this 21 birthday cake came out. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. And if you try to make one similar, tag me on Instagram at The Pleasant Baker. Thanks, bye!